So I'm going to pose the question right now. The rumor is that Jeffery Herlings might be coming to ride motocross in America, and the question is, would you like to see it? And at least in my understanding, this means he's going to be racing a season, or at least most of the season, not just a couple big here I am for a race, blah 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 blah. And Dirk Grubel, sorry if I butcher his last name, right there. If you want to pause, you can read it. Or he said, from the Perrier Mobility Group's point of view, then of course it would make sense that he rides in America, because if he is fit, then he would be a championship contender. See, right there again, championship contender means he's racing the whole season in my mind. For him also, it would be nice to win a championship. He needs to be fit though. It is not like it is a walk in the park to fly to America and race there in the AMA. Nothing is decided and everything is still on hold. We need to wait and see the progress he is healing. With his healing, then at some point we need to make a decision. Because obviously last year he won the MXGP world title, and then he broke his foot a couple weeks before. I think he broke his foot or leg. Something. He injured himself a couple weeks before the MXGP season. So by this point, he's already a few races, 3 or 4 races deep out of it. So there's no chance that he's going to win the title for MXGP. So why not just let him heal, come over to America and race a full season of, Lucas Oil Pro Motocross, which for him, on his side of things, it'd be, I don't know if you want to say beneficial, but it's a whole other set of fans that you probably don't probably know who he is, but, might not keep track of things because, MXGP is kind of hard to watch over here or find. But for him, it's a whole other set of fans, and for Pro Motocross, it's bringing over an MXGP world title racer to compete against, the American Eli Tomacs and Roxons and, all the big names that are going to be racing motocross. So for both sides, it's beneficial. I think more for the motocross side than Herlings, but it still would be cool. So again, the question would be, I don't know if I actually posed this in the beginning or not, would you like to see it? Do you think it's kind of a stunty thing? Do you think it'd be beneficial for the sport like I think? Do you think it'd be beneficial for him? Or if it's just going to be one of those, kind of, hey, let's throw a big name out. Let's see if we can draw some more fans. Let's make some more money. Whatever you want to say it is. But in the comments below, tell me what you think. I think it'd be great. I would love to see Jeffery Herlings personally, because he is an absolute rocket ship on a dirt bike. And it would make this year or next year, whenever, probably this year, of motocross super exciting for me. But again, comment down below, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.